In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively merge shapes in Google Slides, even though it doesn't have a direct merge shapes feature like PowerPoint. We'll explore a couple of methods involving grouping and importing shapes. So by the end of this video, you'll be able to seamlessly integrate your design elements into Google Slides. Let's begin with the basic approach, grouping shapes directly within Google Slides. First, you'll want to add the desired shapes to your slide. You can find this option in the Insert menu, and feel free to experiment with different shapes to suit your particular design needs. Once your shapes are on the slide, take a moment to arrange them by overlapping or aligning them to your liking. It's crucial to position them as you intend them to appear in your final design, as grouping will fix this arrangement. Next, it's time to select your shapes. Hold down the Shift key, clicking each shape to select them all simultaneously. This step ensures all of your shapes are included in the grouping process. With all the desired shapes selected, navigate to the Arrange menu and click on the Group option. Alternatively, you can use the shortcut, Ctrl+Alt+G on Windows or CMD+Option+G on a Mac. Though grouping shapes will treat them as a single unit for movement and resizing, keep in mind that this method does not actually merge them into a single shape. The individual shapes remain distinct within the group. Now, if you're looking to create something more advanced, let's leverage PowerPoint's powerful Merge Shapes feature. Start by creating your desired shapes in PowerPoint. Just as you did in Google Slides, add your shapes, overlap or arrange them as desired, and select them for merging. Once your shapes are ready in PowerPoint, navigate to Shape Format, then to Merge Shapes. Here, you'll find various options including Union, Combine, Fragment, and Intersect. Choose the one that best fits your design goal. For instance, Union will combine the shapes into a single solid form. After you've merged your shapes using PowerPoint, it's time to save the merged shape as a PNG file. This file format is important to preserve the transparency and quality of your design. Once saved, head back to Google Slides, where you can easily import the PNG image of your merged shape. You can do this by going to Insert, then selecting Image, and uploading your saved file. And there you have it. By using either of these methods, you're now equipped to creatively and efficiently merge shapes for your presentations in Google Slides. Incorporate these techniques to enhance your slides with custom designs, tailored perfectly to your presentation's theme. Happy designing?